The truth here is actually the fact that the law of God is immutable. That's actually a big English word. I don't know. Some of us are immigrants. We wrestle with English. What does it mean? The law of God is immutable. Oh, look at that. There are English students here. Awesome. Right on. The law of God is immutable means it is unchangeable. That's what it is. You know? I mean, how on earth would God lose his mind and send his son to come and die for the human race? How? If he had power to change his law, he could have changed it, right? And spared his son all the suffering. But because God's law is immutable, it's unchanging, he could not change it.